When traveling to any country, you want to get the most out of your time. So here's what $24.90 got me as far as an experience here in Albania. I got on the bus, I greeted one of our guides, and off we were, right? So when I jumped into this shuttle probably holds up to maybe 25 people. Now, the ride was pretty cool because we got educated.
I will teach you my favorite Albanian word before you stop. So it's faleminderit. Yes, thank you.
Then we made a very quick stop to grab a coffee, maybe a smoke, or use the toilet, the restroom. And then we were off to the mountains, which was a 45-minute drive. When we pulled up, this spot right here was pretty cool. One of the first stops, I took this really dope photo right here. And I took this photo using a Canon R7, and of course my ND filter came in clutch. The higher that we hiked up the mountain, the better the views got. You guys can actually see it right here. I'm loving this. There are caves here in Albania. I didn't expect to see caves, but right over here, and I'll show you guys, have a couple of openings, and you can hear voices echo, which means this probably goes to the other side of the mountain. But the primary reason I came was for this view. This is exactly what I used to imagine myself experiencing. Now, when you make it to the top of the mountain, it's like a stop where you can have a snack, a drink, take photos, take videos. Whatever you do, don't be like this idiot man, or this idiot boy, or this idiot guy. Vaping and smoking out in nature, we're trying to preserve the purity of Albania in these spots, and it's tourists like him who really mess up the experience and don't really care about the environment. Maybe that's just me, but quite honestly, be more mindful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Peace.